Linux commands you need to know as a developer, part 2. Today, we're going to be talking about the grep command. Grep is a powerful tool used for finding and filtering lines based off a pattern. It's perfect for searching logs, code, or config files without the endless scrolling. Let's jump into my terminal to see grep in action. So let's say I have a log file called app.log. Let's first use the head command using head-n and 3 to get the first 3 lines of app.log to see the data that we're working with. So looking at the output of our head command, we have debug logs, warning logs, and error logs, and they're classified by the words debug, warn, and error in all caps. So in our terminal, we're going to type grep followed by the pattern that we want to look for in each line. In this case, we want to look for the word error in all caps, and then we want to look in our app.log file. And this will return us every single line that contains that word error in all caps. Now let's take it a step further and say we want to return all the lines that contain the word error regardless of what type of log they are. In that case, we can type grep followed by the -i flag indicating that our pattern is case insensitive. So if we use the word error as our pattern, this will match to the word error whether it's all caps or the first letter is capitalized or the last letter is capitalized or it's all lowercase. Now if we specify our app.log file, as you can see, we get a debug line here that says empty user information may cause error, and we also match with all the error logs. Grep is especially powerful when combining it with other commands. Let's look at an example where I want to retrieve the 3 latest debug logs from my log file. I can then use grep followed by debug in all caps as our pattern, meaning I want to match to all the lines that contain debug in all caps, and then I'll specify my app.log file, and I can pipe that output to a tail-n3 command indicating that I only want the last 3 lines from that output, and then that'll return us the last 3 debug logs from our app.log file. Grep is a powerful tool that turns hours of searching into seconds. I can't cover every aspect of grep in this video, but if you learned something new, make sure to like and subscribe.